Take two. Hey, Maniacs.
Take three.
Take three. Hey, Maniacs. We dropped the engine in before we actually picked the car up from the upholstery shop on video, but here it is.
What's up, Maniacs? I'm here with Jim. We're gonna go pick up the 62 Mercury from the upholstery shop. Jim, how long has it been?
About 4 months.
4 months. Hey, you know what? Can't rush good work, apparently, right?
Apparently.
That's what they say. So we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Oh, this is rad, Jim. Good move right there. We actually need some CO2 argon mix for the MIG welder, so nice job finding this place real quick en route. Yeah. Let's go get some gas. You got gas?
I always have gas.
Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, it does last a long time unless you have a hole in the hose. Hey, how's it going? I'm John.
Pancho, man, nice
to meet you. You okay being on camera?
No, yeah, I'm great.
Okay, good.
You look great. Hey, everybody who sees the seats, they like the seats. Everybody who came in, they say, can I take pictures of the seats? I said, sure.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com and check out the merch we have. We have t-shirts, hats, decals, we even have a backpack. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Let's get back to this video.
Yeah, it's ready for it.
Got a new windshield. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. Man, back to factory. It's so beautiful.
Hey, I think I might be able to fit in this car.
Yeah, dude, let me see. That's because he can't fit in the 49.
Yeah, right.
You need a car that he can fit in.
Yeah.
Oh, the headliner, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
The package tray.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I can't believe it. Look at this.
So we know that we have to do the carpet still on it. We didn't want him to put it in yet because there's some rust at the gas pedal that we got to cut out and weld, and then we're going to get a carpet kit, put it in there. We're hoping to get a green carpet kit to match all this. Ah, it's really cool though. 67 Camaro. Getting some seats done. Ah, those look pretty cool actually.
I swear one of these bones is cracked. Not broken, cracked.
What are you crying about over here? What did you do? What did you do with that shoulder, Jim?
So,
Something stupid?
yeah, I was at the,
Yeah.
the dunes and I rolled the razor and it happened so fast.
You put that shoulder on the ground, huh?
No, not the ground.
No, into the cage.
Into the cage.
Still working on this left front, dude? How come you're so slow? Oh! This is hard work. All right, keep on. kidding.
You should have like sold real estate or something.
I should have, huh?
Yeah.
Dang it.
That's
Gotta
really
go sell some stuff today.
much.
Gotta go work on this stucco problem I have on this house. Dang, brand new builders just don't make them like they used to. 62.
62.
This is how they used to make them.
Yeah.
I'm done. I'm ready. I do have a splinter in my arm though.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, it's not coming out.
Get it,
Oh,
get it.
I'm on the wrong hand here. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Close. Oh.
Ah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, that was a good one. Oh, it's redwood. That's how you're gonna leave it, dude?
I was trying to help you out, man. I got distracted.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, like,
okay, thanks. Thanks for your help.
sometimes I like when Connor's here because it takes like all the focus off me.
Yeah. Yeah, where are you, Connor? Oh, that's much better. Much better. All right, let's get this show on the road, buddy.
Okay, let's get the ramp hooked up. I gotta pay too.
Oh, you gotta pay. No, we'll just leave, dude.
I gotta pay.
Let's just leave. High tech. We did learn the hard way about that jack right there. We didn't have one, and it started to bend he dovetailed the trailer custom. So now we pretty much put that in there every time we load, and just for loading and unloading.
Not driving.
Not driving. Wait, Pancho, you want to get paid?
Yes.
He's leaving. He's leaving. He's not paying. Hey, sir, you gotta pay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, he's taking it. Not very fast. He's not taking it very fast. Hey, Pancho's running after you for the money. Hey, get him. Boom. So this is where the magic happens, huh?
There we go. This is for a boat too.
Dude, that is nice.
He took a bunch of pieces.
That's what I should have done with my boat. I like that camel color. Oh man, it's nice. Cool, man. You show some sewing machine action. Oh, look at this.
You have to have the Mexican music too.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna get copyrighted on that. Oh, that's awesome.
For the same boat.
Okay.
This is the last.
Yeah, looks good.
And I like to put the pictures on
Good material.
Oh yeah, this is marine vinyl. Yeah.
All right, dude, you ready to go? You ready to pay?
Yes,
You gotta pay, man. Come on already. Why are you sandbagging? Dude, let's go get some breakfast.
Nice.
If you're ever in Tucson, no endorsement by Say's Kitchen, but man, these guys are really good. It's, tacos. They actually have breakfast tacos.
Yes,
That's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
Those look pretty good.
Ready unloaded, boy?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Rolling down the street, smoking endo, sipping on gin and juice, laid back.
Hey, can you turn the air conditioner on? It's kind of a little hot in here.
It's getting hot.
It's getting hot in here. Hey. All right, guys. Well, we made it back to Maniacs headquarters. Anyway, we picked up the 62 from the upholstery shop, and wow, we're definitely impressed. Pancho knocked it out of the park for sure.
Yeah.
He actually didn't take as long as we made it sound like in the beginning of the video. It turned out really good, really good. It was a pretty good deal as well. What do you think, Jim?
Yeah, I'm really happy with it. You really nailed the retro 62 look. You know, we're trying to go period specific, and you made it look basically OEM. So that was pretty tough to do. So,
Yeah, that's really what we were going for. You know, just love all the touches. So it's actually done right back to the original style, pattern, and everything. So really cool the way it turned out. I'm happy that this one's coming together the way it is. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys are liking what we're putting out. Give us a thumbs up. We're gonna be finishing up some stuff on the motor on this thing and then getting it in here, and then you'll see some videos of this thing running. And then we're gonna do some finishing of the body, the patina. We're gonna keep the patina, but we have some really cool stuff from Poppy's Patina. We're gonna make it kind of a gloss, clear coat. All right, guys. Well, hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.